Hello students, I hope that you are all fine and studying well. What we are going to do today is very important because this is an important topic of the chapter light reflection and refraction which we are doing. We are going to do image formation by spherical mirrors. Before studying image formation by spherical mirrors, we have to study the types of rays which are involved in image formation. तो कौन कौन सी रेज इमेज फॉर्मेशन में इन्वॉल्व होती हैं, पहले हमें उनको जानना होगा. लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज लेक्चर. गिव द हेडिंग इमेज फॉर्मेशन बाय स्फेरिकल मिरर्स. So students, as I have told you, first we will do the types of rays which are involved. So this is a subheading, rays involved in image formation. So first ray which is involved is the ray which will come parallel to the principal axis. For each type of ray we will draw the ray diagram for both the mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror also. So first ray is which is parallel to the principal axis. So ray parallel to the principal axis. Let us draw the ray diagram now. If this is your concave mirror and let's say this is your convex mirror, this we have discussed in our previous lecture. This is what? This is pole. Similarly here this is pole. This is a principal axis. This you have to draw with a compass. Say if you have opened the compass of 8 centimeter, तो यहाँ पे रख के 8 सेंटीमीटर की एक आर्क लगानी है. So from here you are drawing an arc. This point will be the center of curvature. The midpoint of this, if you are taking 8 centimeter, so this will be your 4 centimeter from here. So this will be your principal focus. Same case here. In this case you will have to draw arc from this side. This I am talking just right now and we will move on further. Here also this will be F, this will be C. Students, you must have to understand first thing that the ray always come from this side. Rays will never come from this side. So if the ray which are parallel to the principal axis, this ray after reflection will pass through the principal focus. After reflection this ray will pass through principal focus. This is a converging mirror because ये सारी rays को converge करता है इस एक point पे. This is a diverging mirror. So होगा क्या actual में? This is also a ray which is parallel to principal axis. Actually it will be diverged from here. ये ऐसे करके इंसिडेंट होगी और इधर को डाइवर्ज हो जाएगी. बट व्हेन वी एक्सटेंड दिस वर्चुअली देन इट विल ऑल्सो पास थ्रू द प्रिंसिपल फोकस. तो जो भी रे पैरेलल होगी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन दैट विल डेफिनेटली पास थ्रू व्हाट? प्रिंसिपल फोकस. नाउ write it down. Ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection passes through what? It will pass through principal focus. You can pause the video, take screenshot, write down later, or you can write it down now. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Now second type of ray will be, I'm just rubbing this one down. Second type of ray which will pass through principal focus. The ray which is incident through principal focus. So that ray which is passing through principal focus, after reflection it will go parallel to the principal axis. It means उसका बिल्कुल वाइस वर्सा हो रहा है. उसमें क्या था? पैरेलल रे आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन फोकस में से, और इसमें फोकस में से जो पास होगी फिर वो पैरेलल हो जाएगी. सेम केस है. इफ यू डायरेक्ट अ रे विच इज इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रिंसिपल फोकस, एक्चुअली तो ये इधर नहीं होगा, वी हैव टू एक्सटेंड इट वर्चुअली. So this ray also become parallel to the principal axis. So ray incident, or you can say passing through principal focus will go parallel to the principal axis after reflection. इसका मतलब आप लोगों को समझ आ ही गया होगा दैट जो भी रे प्रिंसिपल फोकस में से पास करेगी फिर वो इसके प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल हो जाएगी. So this was the second ray. I hope you have noted it down. Take the screenshot. Now we will do third type of ray. I'm drawing this again. This is our principal focus. This is our center. Now third type of ray will be when the ray will pass through the center of curvature. तो जब center of curvature में से कोई भी ray हम पास करवाएंगे, जैसी ray वो आई है वैसी ही रिफ्लेक्ट बैक होके चली जाएगी. देयर विल बी नो डेविएशन. तीन टाइप की कर चुके हैं. एक पैरेलल फोकस में से पैरेलल हो गई. थर्ड इज दिस सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर में से जो भी रे जैसी आएगी वैसे ही रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक हो जाएगी. सेम केस है. इफ यू विल इंसिडेंट अ रे विच इज एक्चुअली इंसिडेंट ऑन दिस सेंटर, तो जैसी वो आ रही है वैसे ही क्या चली जाएगी, वो वापस चली जाएगी. सो रे पासिंग थ्रू center will be reflected back in the same direction. आई होप आपको ये तीनों रेज समझ आ गई हैं कि सेंटर वाली याद रखना है कि वो जैसी आई है बिल्कुल वैसे ही वापस चली जाएगी. नाउ लास्ट type of ray which is involved in the image formation by a spherical mirror is when the ray will be incident on this one, this point. This is pole of a mirror. So when the ray will be incident on this, so the angle which will be formed between principal axis and incident ray, जो angle बनेगा that will be angle of incidence, and after reflection it will go in this direction and this angle will be angle of reflection. आपने ये हमेशा याद रखना है कि and these angles will be equal. Angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. Same case here. This is incident ray, this is angle of incidence with the principal axis, and angle of reflection after reflection. So fourth ray is when the ray incident on pole of a mirror will make same angle with किसके साथ? Principal axis after reflection. I will be equal to R. Angle I will be equal to angle R. So these are the four rays which are involved in the image formation. Just two type of rays we will require for image formation. Now we will start image formation by spherical mirrors. First we will do image formation by concave mirror. So give the heading image formation by concave mirror. So we will do image formation for various cases. For various positions of object we will draw ray diagrams for image formation. Firstly we will start with the case when the object is present at infinity. Students, we have to write four things for each case. A, position of object. B, position of image. C, size of image. And fourth is nature of image. This we have to write. So write down these first. These you have to write for all the cases. Now let us say our first case is when the object is present at infinity. Means वो infinite distance पे है concave mirror से. This is our concave mirror. You will draw this with the help of a compass. चाहे आप 8 सेंटीमीटर 7 सेंटीमीटर जो जितना भी रेडियस लेके आपको आर्क लगानी है वो आप आर्क लगाओगे. This will be your principal axis. This is pole. This is center of curvature. This is principal focus. When the object is present at infinity, let us say this is our object AB. This is object present at infinity. तो infinity से rays इस object से parallel rays जो है वो इंसिडेंट होंगी मिरर की तरफ. आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन दोज विल बी पास थ्रू व्हाट? प्रिंसिपल फोकस. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि जो भी रे पैरेलल होगी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के वो किस में से पास करेगी? फोकस में से. सो वेयर दीज टू will meet these two rays after reflection, जहाँ पे ये meet करेंगी image formation भी क्या होगी, यहीं पे होगी. So you can say position of object is infinity, position of image is, image कहाँ पे form हुई है, principal focus पे, at principal focus. Size of image, you can see students, object काफ़ी बड़ा था और ये बहुत छोटी इमेज बनी है, बिल्कुल पॉइंट साइज. सो साइज ऑफ इमेज विल बी हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, साइज ऑफ इमेज विल बी हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, और यू कैन से पॉइंट साइज. नेचर ऑफ इमेज वी विल राइट डाउन नेक्स्ट. साइज ऑफ इमेज इज हाईली डिमिनिश्ड और दिस इज पॉइंट साइज इमेज. And last is nature of image. As this is mating, so this image is real and inverted. This you have to remember, in most of the cases for concave mirror the image formation will be real and inverted. Let us draw second ray diagram when the object is present beyond C, यानी कि center of curvature के पीछे जब object present होगा. This is beyond C, this is the position of object. So this you already have already told you. एक arc लगानी है अपने mirror formation के लिए. After that this will be your principal axis, this is pole, this is focus, this will be your center. Now object is present beyond C. Beyond C means C के पीछे है वो, चाहे थोड़ा सा पीछे चाहे बहुत पीछे, बट infinity पे नहीं है. So beyond C, let us say object is present here. This is our object AB. One ray will go parallel. After reflection, parallel ray, as you have known, it will pass through what? Principal focus. This is also our mirror. Second ray will pass through this center of curvature. Center of curvature में से जैसी रे इंसिडेंट होगी वैसे ही वो रिफ्लेक्ट बैक होके चली जाएगी. सो वेयर दीज टू रेज मीट, दिस इज आवर इमेज A dash B dash. So as you can see students, when the object is beyond C, the image is forming between C and F. So position of image will be between C and F. यानी कि ऑब्जेक्ट जब C के बियॉन्ड, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के बियॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है, तो इमेज फॉर्मेशन कहाँ पे हो रही है, सेंटर और प्रिंसिपल फोकस के बीच में. साइज ऑफ इमेज यू कैन सी, दिस इज ग्रेटर, दिस इज स्मॉलर. सो साइज ऑफ इमेज विल बी डिमिनिश्ड. दिस इज नॉट हाईली डिमिनिश्ड. हाईली डिमिनिश्ड पिछले केस में था जब बिल्कुल पॉइंट साइज ऑब्जेक्ट point size image formation हो रही थी. Here the size of image will be smaller than this object, so size of image will be diminished and nature of image will be real and inverted. So students, today I am restricting this video lecture so till these two image formations. Rest of the image formations we will do tomorrow or in the next video lecture. And if this video lecture is helpful and if you like this video lecture, then press the like button. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, subscribe now. Press the subscribe button and press the notification bell also, so that you can get the latest notification of upcoming video lectures. Thank you.